Discover how to build muscle, get stronger and bulk up the right way, as quickly as possible. Have you ever tried to bulk up, only to discover that it's a lot harder to build big muscles than you thought it would be? When most people decide to bulk up, it usually starts with a gym membership. But going to the gym is just the beginning. To get bulk like the Hulk, you also need to get your diet right. Do the right exercises on the right day. Take the right supplements to get the best results possible. And set attainable muscle gaining goals. Most people start by going at it alone or looking at free information found online. Unfortunately, a lot of the information out there is just not accurate, and if you're trying to do it all on your own, you usually find yourself wasting time, not getting the results you hoped for, and potentially even putting yourself at risk for injury. The good news is anyone can bulk up and get fast results. Although everyone's bodies are a little different, there is a proven step-by-step formula anyone can use to bulk up. I'm focused on perfecting the steps to building muscle the right way, and doing it as quickly as possible. I've helped a lot of people crack the code to getting massive gains in muscle and having noticeable results in just a few short weeks. To make it easy for you to get started on your path to getting big the right way, I've created the ultimate guide that you can use to build muscle, get stronger, and bulk up as big as you want. The right way. Inside my step-by-step guide to building muscle fast, you'll discover what your genetic potential for gaining muscle is and how to get the most out of your specific body type, what BMI is and why it's important, how to calculate your AMR and BMR, why having a calorie surplus is so important and how to maintain a caloric surplus, an exact formula to determine how many calories you actually need, why protein is the key to more energy, bigger muscles and faster results, the importance that nutrients and hormones play in your muscle building, the hormonal element that can prevent you from getting the gains you want and how to turn things around in the right direction, eating tips that will help you bulk up as quickly as possible, when you should add supplements and the exact supplements you should be looking at, an overview of the workouts that build muscles the fastest, how training builds muscle, how to lift for size, plus the right way to put a lifting program in place to avoid injury and get the biggest muscles possible, tips for bulking up from home, how to dress to look stronger, how to focus on muscles that will create the biggest visual impact and strength gains, and a whole lot more. This guide will give you everything you need to build muscle and get big, as quickly as possible. At this point, you may be wondering if the guide is for you. If you answer yes to any of these, you need this step-by-step guide to bulking up. You're looking to build muscle. You want to get stronger. You've tried bulking in the past and got stuck at a certain size, but you want it to be bigger. You're looking for a step-by-step plan to get you to the size that you want. Or you're tired of spending money on supplements and other bulking equipment that don't seem to be working. When you make the wise decision to grab my guide today, you'll get everything you need to build muscle, get stronger, and bulk up fast. Without wasting time, money, or putting yourself at risk for injury. And the great thing about this guide is that you can start seeing big improvements within just a few short weeks. But really, the best part about this is the low price. Although what you'll learn inside is the next best thing to spending hundreds or even thousands of dollars on a private muscle-building expert, you won't pay anywhere near that today. For a very limited time, you can get access to this for less than you'd spend on most supplements. To get started and lock in your special pricing, click the Add to Cart button below. And this is about to get even better. When you take action today, you'll get access to fast action bonuses that make getting bulked up like the Hulk even easier. Fast action bonus number 1 is a cheat sheet that breaks down the guide into some very easy to follow step-by-step methods for building muscle. This cheat sheet makes it easy to stay focused and committed to getting results as quickly as possible. Fast action bonus number 2 is a mind map that gives you an overview of everything inside the guide. It's great for those people that need to see it all laid out in a visual format. Fast action bonus number 3 is a resource guide that conveniently lists all of the important tools and resources you need to build muscle and get ripped. And Fast action bonus number 4 is a beautiful infographic that illustrates exactly how to do the most important muscle building exercises to get results. And to make this a total no-brainer, you don't even have to decide today. You get a full 30 days to test drive this life-changing muscle building training guide to make sure this is for you. If for any reason or no reason at all you're not 100% satisfied with what's inside, simply let me know and I'll promptly refund your tiny investment. No questions asked. Don't delay. If you come back later, the price may be higher or you could risk missing out on this completely. If you're ready to build strength and bulk up as quickly as possible, this muscle building guide is for you. Click the button below to get instant access and get started today.